So, the question is, how do we know if we are going to use the or an? Is it the apple or an apple? Hello guys, my name is Jonathan Yelb, and today I am going to introduce you the topic for today, articles. Let's go ahead, get started. So hello guys, let's go ahead and get started. Articles. What is an article? It is a single monosyllabic word typically be found before the noun that helps us identify whether the noun is specific or general. One of the examples are the flowers are yellow. The articles in this case is the because it tells us whether the flowers are specific or general. The next one is I had an apple. The article in this case is an because it tells us whether the apple is either specific or general. The next example that we have here is I like the movie. The article in this sentence will be the because it provides us whether the movie is either specific or general. Now in the next one, in the example number 5, we have I like a hamburger please. The article in this sentence will be the word a because it tells us whether the hamburger is either specific or general. So right now, we already know that the articles are the, a, and an. But we still do not know what are their functions. Which one is specific and which one is the general? This is what we are going to find out right now. So let's just go ahead and move to the next slide. And the next slide will be the types of articles. We have the definite article and the indefinite article. The definite article. This indicates that the subject is a specific, particular, or a defined thing. So we have an example here, and the example is, are you going to the party? Now, the article in this case will be the word the, and this is a definite article because both the sender and the receiver knows what will be the party all about, when will it be held, and where it will be held. It is so very specific and they all know about it. The next one we will have an indefinite articles. And this indicates that the subject is a general, common, and unspecified. Now we do have another example here, and it is, are you going to a party? Now, the article in this sentence will be the word a, and this will be an indefinite article because the sender of the message did not know where will be the receiver will be going, what type of a party. All he know is that he wants to know which party. Will he go to a party today, tomorrow, or next week? That is why he is asking, because he's asking in a general term. If he will be go to a party, it is a general term. An indefinite article is a general term. And that is why this is an indefinite article. So, back to the question, we are going to use the apple if we are referring to a specific time, place, the subject, like, hey, have you eaten the apple? This means that they're talking about the apple in the lunchbox yesterday, that his mother prepared at 5 a.m. that he had eaten yesterday in the afternoon. Now, this is a correct term to use the article, definite article the. We are going to use the indefinite article a or an if it is in general. It is in general. Like, for example, hey, have you eaten an apple? Have you eaten an apple? Well, this means that we didn't know what time will it be. We didn't know when. But all they do know is that the sender is asking the receiver if he ever eaten an apple before. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know when. The receiver don't know when. It's just in general term. Now, we already do know how to use the indefinite article and a definite article. But right now, I am going to tell you the different types in the indefinite article, because there's actually some different types indefinite article, and this is what we are going to find out. Let's go. Alright, so we're just going to move to the next slide, and this will be the different forms or different types of an indefinite article. We have the word a, and we have the word an. So, in the first form, we have the word a. It's used for consonants, like, for example, a bird, a party, p, p, b, b, consonants. On the other hand, we also have a different form, which is an. This is used for vowels, such as an airplane, an apple. Now, in this case, there are some things that you need to consider. Now, in the consonants such as H, you cannot just simply put a hour, because it sounds wrong. Because some of the sounding word of H sounds like A, the vowel A. So in order to solve this, we just simply change the a to an. So instead of a hour, you're going to say an hour, an hour, an hour ago. An hour ago, we went to the movies. An hour ago. Now, there's also some things that we also need to consider from the word an. Because some vowels such as U, it will sound odd if you say union. Union. It sounds very odd. And in order to solve this one, instead of saying an, you're just going to replace it with the word a. A union. A union. In this case, this will avoid confusion, and it will sound grammatically correct. So that is all, guys. I hope you have learned from this topic for today about the articles, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye for now.